a lot.
And we're walking and we're walking and we're walking.
They're gonna think I'm a retard.
Watch the water come out.
How do I do it? Do I just spin it around?
Do it in the pocket, bro. Don't do it in the house.
I know. You gotta spin it fast. You failed.
It's on there.
Hopefully this will dry up before my grandma sees it. What else can we do?
Hey, he cleaned his room, kinda.
Did you feel that? Did you feel that?
No. I think my camera did though.
Okay, what else can we do? Go jumping on my mommy's bed. Damn, it's hot in here. Can't even breathe in here.
You miss your mommy?
Yeah.
Aww.
I'm so used to her yelling at me.
Iggy's. Icky Vicky. Iggy.
Ew, ew.
Iggy Vicky.
Ew.
Hey, no pop this time. Soda.
Soda. Cereal.
What's wrong about me saying pop?
It's weird.
You're weird. You
Never
said
said that was normal.
ah.
Ow!
It's so cold in here.
You're so cool. Cold-hearted. She didn't even.
Icky Vicky. Ow! 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 Say hi.
No.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Caught him.
Wait. It looks weird.
What are you doing?
I have no idea. That. She's talking to her boyfriend. Ooh.
Nuh-uh.
And then
Well, who's this, huh? Huh? Huh?
I don't know.
Who's this, huh?
I don't know.
Delete that her boyfriend.
No, it's not.
We have proof.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
It's orange, like orange.
orange cock.
Who is this? If it's not you, then who is it?
I don't know.
How did you not know?
Why would you have random people on your screensaver?
Exactly.
I don't know.
Caught him. Nasty.
Twitter update.